Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix app crashing on Android. Here's a step guide to fix app crashing on Android. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, Wi Fi, or mobile data. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right. Choose Manage Apps and Device. Tap Updates Available and update the app that keeps crashing. If the issue persists, go to your phone's settings, scroll down and choose Apps, Apps and Notifications, or App Management, depending on your mobile phone. Then tap All Apps or App List. Find and tap on the problematic app. Tap Storage and Cache, or Storage on some phones. Tap Clear Cache, then test the app again. If it still crashes, return and tap Clear Data. This resets the app to default. Restart your phone by holding the power button, then tap Restart. If the problem continues, uninstall the app, reinstall it from the Google Play Store. As a last step, check for system updates in Settings, System, Software Update, and install if available. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.